Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin tracking your Apple Watch now. First, make sure your iPhone and watch use the same Apple ID and that Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location services are enabled. This allows device handoff and location sharing. Once done, open the Find My app on your iPhone and select Devices, then tap your Apple Watch. You'll see its last known location and actions you can take. Start here because this screen is where you issue the commands that make finding the watch possible. Now you'll use the core tools to locate the watch. Tap play sound, your watch will chime even if on silent, helping you find it nearby. If it's farther away, choose directions to open maps with turn-by-turn guidance to the last reported spot. If you can't retrieve it immediately, use Mark as Lost to lock the watch with a passcode and display a contact number. This secures data and increases the chance someone will return it. These actions work because Find My communicates through Apple's secure network. Finish the process based on what you find. If recovery looks impossible, erase the Apple Watch remotely to protect your data. Remember, this also enforces activation lock, so the device remains tied to your Apple ID. If the watch shows offline, check the last known location and enable Notify when found to get an alert when it reconnects. If the device never appears or shows incorrect info, sign into iCloud.com or contact Apple support for account verification and next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.